Are you having fun at the beach, Samuel?
Yeah.
What did we play at the beach today?
I don't know, Bumpungle.
Did we play dump trucks?
Yeah.
Did we build a fort over there? Are you building a bridge, Samuel? Are you building a bridge?
I'm not supposed to put it under water. Yeah. Underwater swimming.
Do you like seaweed?
Yeah.
Was the water a little bit cold for you today?
Yeah.
What do you like best about the beach today?
None.
You ready to go now?
No.
Do you want to stay longer at the beach or go see Mommy? Do you wanna go see Mommy or stay longer at the beach?
Daddy,
Yes, Samuel?
I'm gonna make the water not come in. What I'm gonna do is put some water right there so it doesn't come in.
Okay, you do that.
Daddy,
Yes, Samuel?
I made a blocked off end.
Was this a busy beach or a quiet beach today?
A quiet beach. Is this a quiet beach, Daddy?
I think so. Not a lot of people on this beach.
No. Daddy, look, now the water can come in.
Good job. You're a good engineer.
What's the end in here?
That means you're good at construction and designing things that stop water.
There's only just a lot of water. Daddy, is that foam?
A little bit.
Is it bubble foam?
A little bit.
Are the whole thing foam?
A little bit.